welcome back to our video series on WordPress. Today I'll be showing you how to add new posts and new pages within your new WordPress website. To do this, first what we're going to do is log into our WordPress dashboard. From here, we're going to choose either posts or pages. Right now I'm going to choose posts, so we can just do that for right now. Here is a list of all the different posts we have. Since this is a new installation, we're not going to have any post unless it's the WordPress default in here. But if we want to add a new post, all we have to do is choose Add New up at the top. And from here, we're taken to the Add New Post creation page. Here is where we set all the different stuff up for the new post so it can be published and added to our website. So up at the top, we want to name our new post. And then down here is the actual text that's going to be within our post. We can actually insert not only text, but we can insert videos, music, and other different things like PowerPoint slides or PDFs. All we need to do really is click down here into this little box and we can begin editing it. For example, this is my first WordPress post. We can do a few different things to change up the way it looks. For example, we can highlight a word, we can choose to make it bold, we can choose to make it italic, and we can also do strike through. We can also set the alignment of our website, whether it be left, center, or right. Adding URLs is actually really easy. All you gotta do is highlight a word, click on this little chain link, and you can type in the URL to the website you'd like it to go to. You can also add pictures and media like I was saying, and to do that all you gotta do is click on the add image or video and select a certain file, and just like that it's uploaded. There's a few different things that you can change up when you upload a picture or video. Specifically, you can change the title of the image, any kind of alternate text to it, a caption for it, like author or photographer, and a brief description for it. Not all WordPress themes display the descriptions, so it's not necessary that you enter in a description, a caption, or alternate text, as long as we have a title up here. We also can choose whether or not the picture will actually link to itself. So if someone actually wanted to view the image at a bigger scale, they can click on the image and it will take it there. Or we can just click none and it won't link anywhere. We can also choose the image's alignment, whether it be left, center, or right. And we can choose the default size of the image that appears on our post. Once everything is selected, go ahead and click on the Insert into Post button. And it should be as simple as that, where it's inserted into our post. And as you can see, just like that, insert our post, text is right there. A few of the things that we can choose to edit on here is we can choose to save this as a draft if we want to come back to it at a later time. We can also preview it, see what it looks like on the web, and that's exactly what it looks like. And we can also choose to publish it now. If you would like to publish it at a later date, we can actually edit it right here. And this will actually choose at what time and what day our post posts. So if you have like a bunch of different articles you want to write for your website, you can choose to distribute them at a certain time every day right in this area. But once we're done, go ahead and click on Publish, and you should get a successful message up here that your post was published and a link to view your post. Adding pages is very similar to this process, and to do that, all you gotta do is go to the Page tab. Here, we're taken to another list of all the different pages that are included with our website. By default, there's a sample page. So if we wanted to delete it, for example, all we gotta do is hover over it and choose Trash, and it's just as simple as that to delete a page. If we wanted to add a new page, it's just as simple to do that as it is Post. So click on Add New. Up at the top, we want to choose the name of our new page as opposed to the name of our post. So for example, if this is a contact page, choose to call it Contact. And down here, just like in a post, we can go ahead and put in our different captions or our different context that's going to be on our website. And just like adding a new post, we can add images right up here, videos, different media, etc. Okay, and just like adding a new post, we can choose to say this is a draft, preview, publish, and publish at a later date. One thing that's different than a post is our page attributes. This is generally set by whatever template you have going on and or theme that you have installed in your WordPress. If you have just a basic theme, you're not going to really have very many choices on here, but depending on what different themes you have will depend on the choices here. And that about does it for adding pages and posts to your WordPress website. Please stay tuned for more videos.